Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech. Today we're checking out the Xahpower USB Sensor Bar, a must-have replacement accessory for Nintendo Wii and Wii U users. If you're looking to revive your favorite motion-controlled games, this might just be the perfect add-on. Right off the bat, this sensor bar is only compatible with the Nintendo Wii and Wii U, so if you're still enjoying those classic titles like Wii Sports or Super Mario Galaxy, you're good to go. Setup is as simple as it gets. No software, no hassle, just plug it into any USB port, and you're ready to play. That's right, it works exactly like the original sensor bar, but with the added convenience of USB power. Whether it's your Wii console, a USB wall adapter, or even a power bank, you have flexible options. The built-in LED infrared array allows for precise motion tracking, making your Wii mode experience responsive and smooth. It's especially great for high-energy action games where every motion counts. This sensor bar comes with a sturdy little stand and adhesive so you can attach it easily to your TV, monitor, or any flat surface. Plus, it includes a generous 7-foot cable, giving you plenty of flexibility in where you place it. And at just 9.4 inches in length, it's compact enough to travel with if needed. Xahpower emphasizes quality and backs it up with customer-first support. Whether you're gifting this to your kids, friends, or picking it up for yourself, they've got your back. Any issues? Just contact them via Amazon, and they'll take care of you. If you're in need of a reliable, easy-to-use, and portable replacement sensor bar for your Wii or Wii U, the Xahpower USB Sensor Bar delivers exactly what you need, at a great value. It's a simple upgrade that keeps your favorite games alive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews, only on Alltech.